We didn't want to do just any event, but we really wanted to do something special. That's why we decided for a 24-hour event across the globe. It's really important in these times to stay connected and stay in touch with our customers, partners and employees.
It was inspiring. It was everything you want a large virtual conference to be. I think it's unbelievable to see how much the world has changed and how much we were able to tell about how much the world is changing. It was amazing to be able to tell our story here at DHL together with our customers, partners, and employees.
It was incredible to know that there were thousands of people out there, an incredible range of presenters and some really fantastic speakers. Lots of great feedback from people all over the place and fantastic, even better than I expected actually.
Technically, it was really one of the biggest efforts we did in the past. It's definitely a big highlight is for sure the era stage that we use in the virtual environment. It was a try, it was a first try from our side, and we're very happy that it worked out.
I'm super impressed by the content the divisions delivered to us, the performance of my team, the performance of the customers, the performance of the divisional. We've written industry history in the past 2 days.